I traveled over 1,700 miles to come see an event about sustainable living in Kentucky. And this is day one. We just got to Bowling Green, Kentucky, where we're going to attend the Kentucky Sustainable Living. Everybody say hello to Victoria. We just drove from Tennessee to Kentucky, and now we just got to the expo center. We got a little lost in a dairy farm, but it was well worth it. All right, now we're gonna try to see if we can find the front door.
You're going through the street. I couldn't sit down very long.
As we arrived, we started to realize that there were so many different classes that we could take. So I'm going to be breaking up this video series into multiple videos covering each of the different classes that were offered and how amazing it was. But this is while everybody is getting set up, the booths are all getting set up, and everyone is figuring out which classes that they're going to go to first. But the first thing I'm going to go do is look at all of the booths that make their own fermentation and canning. There is so much to see. Hey.
Yeah. I had a question for you.
Absolutely.
I was in with the sourdough class,
Yeah.
and I saw the canned chicken.
Uh-huh.
Now it's not all the way to the top, and the liquid's not all the way to the top.
It's okay.
That's okay?
Yep.
And it'll stay?
It just made a natural broth. It's totally, yep.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yep.
cool.
Yep, you're in safe. Ooh, what do we got? We got scobies and, all right, well, how am I gonna get these on through the plane?
Make the gallon that's on that recipe card and put it in there. It's ready to go in there. So then whenever you start the process, this heat, depending on the heat and humidity in your house, it can take about 7 to 14 days.
No, don't do that.
Yes, it is.
Well, I'm gonna be grabbing more jams, so you can't be gifted too much.
I am gifting the Dr. Pepper to you.
I'm already like, I'm like deep in my, that's so good. Oh, they're all, yeah, we're gonna have to do a summertime. What's a red buddy?
Red bud.
What's a red bud?
Red bud trees that bloom in the spring.
We don't got those. I might just get it.
Oh, it's good.
I'm gonna be buying you up on all your stuff. I'm over here just in heaven.
I think I said it.
Victoria's gonna come in here and she's gonna be like, you went to the jams, didn't you? And I'll be like, yes, I did. We're gonna be getting a red bud too. I don't know how I'm gonna get this all through. I can fly with these.
Put them under the plane, right?
I'm overweight capacity down there.
You can master it.
We will master this.
Okay, what else do you want? I'm sorry.
What all we got?
She wanted a red bud.
Red bud, sweet summertime,
You want to
Dr. Pepper. Yeah, sweet one there. Ooh, yeah. The cluck it, identify as a threat. My pronouns are try me. It's going on my bag. Buy me chickens and tell me you don't trust the government. This is gonna become my new script writing pen. Okay, these are like the best. This is the best booth. Don't tell any of the other booths I said that. I'm impressed. I'm like,
I loved you.
I'm like the red bud jelly. I've never had red bud, so that's why I was like, what? What is this? I've had lilac. I'm trying to think of other ones. I've had dandelion, but I've never had a red bud. So now I have to go find a red bud tree so I know what it looks like.
Only in the
You watch me? I love it. We're working on a really cool one. So we have a new video coming out and it's evacuating from the 17th story of the hotel in the dark if the power was out. Because our hotel like stuff kept going down, all of our elevators, and there was thousands of dancers. So we were all running the stairwell. So I was like, how fast can we do 10 flights of stairs trying to track it? And so we just did a cool one there. And then I'm like, now we're going back into canning season because we got real warm in February. All of our peach trees went to blossom. Then we got hit with snow or hailstorm, lost everything. We lost apricots, peaches, apple trees, everybody. And I'm like, this year is going to be an interesting one. And then got really hot again. And then we got snow in June, first week of June. Like it wiped half of our plants.
Where are you at?
Utah.
How close to fires is it?
They were getting close. Like what everyone's seeing on the East Coast right now with the smoke, that's what the whole state was. It was like nobody could breathe outside. Baseball games were canceled. Football practice. Everybody. And we just walk. Yeah, there's been so many people, Mama. There's been so many people. Hey, what you getting? Ooh, their food is so good. Their food is so great. So great. All right, so first up, we're gonna have my very first canning class taught, where I taught so many people new different ways to can protein to have shelf-stable food for year-round. We will be uploading this entire class. It's a much longer video, so it'd be too long to put in this video, but make sure that you like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see the entire class on how to preserve your own protein and can shelf stable.